Yeah, I got it. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, very good morning to you. Good morning.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you send more worksheets on Google Classroom, please.
For what, beta?
For maths.
Okay, let me do for divisibility test. Yeah, Umayma?
Yeah.
Let me first complete for this thing, divisibility test. Okay?
Yeah, but ma'am,
Yeah.
the divisibility test worksheet, can you even send us on Google Classroom?
Okay, the PPT, you want the PPT, which I had.
No, not the PPT.
Then?
The picture that last class you did, no?
I'm sharing. We are doing it today. I'll complete that. Okay. And listen, what am I saying?
Fun.
Yeah, instead of making you write all those things, I'll just upload that PPT at Google Classroom. So you can refer it. So that won't waste our time. And we can do sums in a class. That is the main thing. Okay? Okay? We'll do the sum. Yeah, that would be better. And I want to go, yeah. By the way, everybody join in. Wow, everyone is looking so fresh. What's so good about this morning? Yeah?
In the English class, first class,
Yes.
they were doing acting, so we are dressed up.
Oh, lovely. What? You were doing acting? Oh, wow.
And also, Yusuf joined in the English class.
Oh, wow. Lovely. What acting you had? You did? What all acting you did?
There is a story in our book we have done.
Oh.
Wonderful smells. The wonderful smells.
Wow. That's nice. Okay. Mustafa also join in. Mohammad Ali also join in. Who is left?
We will write all the
divisibility rules.
Divisibility rules.
Yes.
You have to write now.
No, what I am saying, Manha, that's what we and Umayma were discussing. Like that PPT, I will upload it in the Google Classroom. It's given everything. Divisibility. You forgot. You have forgotten. Are that I was explaining you from the PPT only. Divisibility rule for 2, for 3, for 5, 6. Remember. So you can write the answers from there also, na? You want divisibility rule for you, or you want me to make you write right now? What do you want me to do? Yeah. What do you?
Can write like 1 second.
Mohammad Ali, how are you? Good morning. Turn on your camera.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Why did Mustafa? Good morning. Turn on your camera. Sidra, saw you first time without scarf. You're looking so good. Okay. Who didn't join? I guess Umar didn't join. And Humaira, yeah, why she is not joining? Humaira?
Writing like this or
Oh, wow, lovely. Lovely.
writing like this. Divisibility rule for 2. Check the last digit of number. If
Okay.
the number is 2, 0,
Fine.
2, 4,
So you want to write for 6, 7, 8, 9 right now, or you'll copy it from the PPT? Yeah, tell me what you want, what you kids want.
I will copy it from the PPT. I want to write now.
You want to
Because
write,
I
what
forgot
about,
that 7 and 8.
what about you, sir, Umayma? What you want to do? I want to need your opinion also, Mariam's opinion also. Yeah, Umayma?
I want to write 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
What now?
What you want? Should I upload it on Google Classroom, or you want it right now? You want to write divisibility rules right now for 6, 7, 8, 9. Others are saying you want to write.
I don't want to write in the book.
Then where you want to write?
Just on the screen.
Oh, Mariam, what about you? But Umayma, you have to write it in the book. You have to write it. तो मैथ्स में तो लिखना पड़ेगा बेटा.
You can send it in the Google class.
Mustafa is saying, ma'am, send it in the Google Classroom. Khatam. Our job is getting less. Mariam, what about you?
I want to write now.
Okay, Mohammad Ali, Manha, Sidra, and Mariam, majority. Mohammad Ali, now last you are remaining. What is your opinion?
I want to say something.
Say,
Today is my shifting.
you want to write it now or should I upload it in Google Classroom? At Google Classroom, tell me.
Google Classroom.
Oh, he is also very smart. Okay. So now what should I do? Look, three people, you are six, right? Three people are like uploaded at Google Classroom and three people are saying write it right now. I'm like, we should do it right now. So what should I do now? Three, equal votes. Equal votes.
Ma'am,
Write both.
both. Ma'am, write both. Both.
What?
Both.
Sorry.
Ma'am, write both.
Right what?
Write both. Also that they both.
Okay. Chalo, get your books. We will start writing. Chalo, get your book. Umayma, chalo, get up. Get your book.
Ma'am, I know. I got it. Okay.
What you got it?
Like someone telling like to do it and not to send it. So let's
Okay.
do it half and then the rest of them send it in the Google Classroom.
What are you saying?
I want for people. Students want to write now. They will write now, and some students wants to write. What is that? And it. Yeah. So they will write after. Some students wants to write now, so they will write now. Some students wants to not write. They
Okay,
will
I'm
write
sorry. I was
afterwards.
okay. Why is Umar and Yusuf didn't join? What's the problem? Umar was there for the previous class. He didn't come.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Yeah. Mustafa, get your book. Mustafa. Umayma, did you get it? Okay, lovely.
Decibels for 6.
Divisibility rule for 6. What did we discuss?
Ma'am, I want to do in the Google Classroom.
What? You will not write Muhammad Ali? Write it, beta. This will be like revision for you. Write it. Today is the last session for divisibility rule. Huh? Next session we'll start with division. Actual division. Chalo. Divisibility rule for 6. What is it? Forgotten? If the number is, write it in capital. What was the divisibility rule? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. Okay, we did this. Remember, we did this.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Let me take an example. 6, divisibility rule for 6. Umayma will answer this, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, beta.
2.
Chalo, Umayma, tell me. Is this hello, Yusuf? I saw you after a long time. Where were you? Everything fine? Yeah?
Traveling 1 week.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I was
Okay, how are you now? Okay, you were not well. How are you now? You doing well?
Ma'am, I was traveling 1
Okay,
week.
you were traveling. ठीक है. Now you came at Mumbai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen, Yusuf, you might be getting it difficulty to understand this because we are doing this from last 3 sessions. We are doing different divisibility rules. If divisibility rules means I am checking whether a number is divisible by 2, whether a number is
Ma'am, this
divisible
is
by 2.
not.
Wait. I'm explaining something for Yusuf. Otherwise, he have to sit blank. I have to give him little bit introduction. What are we doing? Yusuf, listen. What are we doing? Divisibility rule for 6. Here, what am I doing is, I'm checking whether this number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 means, does it come in 6 table? Okay. Did you understand this? Okay. I have to check whether the number comes in, it's a multiple of 6 or not. So there are certain rules for checking whether a number is divisible by 2, number is divisible by 3, number is divisible by 4, 5. We did till 5. We have done till 5. Today we are doing it for 6. Try to understand. If you don't understand, I'll give you the explanation again. Okay? Whatever you understanding, try to understand that. Okay? Okay, Yusuf?
Ma'am, 3 twos are 6 and 2 threes are also 6.
So, no, the test for divisibility rule for 6 is what? If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. Now, for checking 2 and 3, look, Yusuf. By the way, Umaima, you were right, huh? Umaima, 100% correct. Umaima, thumbs up.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
right. Truly correct. Okay, Umaima, okay.
Because, ma'am, can I just ask you?
Yeah.
Because 9 is not in 6 table, that's why, right?
Where is 9? Where you are getting 9, Umaima? First, you have
2
to check
plus
for 2.
4.
You have to check for 2. First,
Yeah.
you have to check for 2. What is the divisibility test for 2? Tell me. What is the divisibility test for 2? Yeah.
For 2, we have to arrange.
See
We
the,
have to see the
the-
last number.
is the last number even number? Is the
No.
last number? So this is
No.
gone. It is not
Gone.
divisible by 2. For 3, Umaima, tell me what was the
Yes.
divisibility rule for 3? You have
For
to
3, we had to add all of
Very
the
nice.
numbers.
Keep adding. 2 plus 4. Chalo,
So
fatafat.
it is 9. 9.
2 plus 4 is
Now
6.
it
6
is
plus
9.
3 is 9. 9 is 9. Does 9 comes in 3's table? Does 9
Yes.
comes? Yes. But it is not divisible by 2. But it is divisible by
Yeah.
3. So,
So
but listen, but my rule says it should be divisible by both the numbers. But it is not divisible by 2. So 243 is not divisible by 6. Okay? It should be divisible by both the numbers. Very well. Very good, Umaima. Chalo. Yeah. Back to Yusuf. Yeah, Yusuf, listen. To check a number, whether it is divisible by 6 or not, we need to see the number should come in 2. It should come in 2 and 3's table. Did you understand this? Okay? 2 के table में भी आना चाहिए and it should come in 3's table also. Okay? Now, what is the divisibility rule for 2? Can anybody tell me? What is the divisibility rule for 2?
we have to check the
Last digit. Yusuf, check the last digit. Check the last digit. What is the last digit? Yeah, Yusuf?
1 3.
3. If at the last digit you have 0, if you have 0, you have 2, you have 4, 6 and 8, then only that number is divisible by 2. Is 3 from this list? Is 3 from this list? Tell me. 3 is odd number or even number?
Ma'am,
What is it? It's even number, right? 3 is even number, right? Am I right? Yeah, Yusuf?
yes.
No. 3 is even number or odd number? Yeah, Mustafa?
Ma'am,
It's
it is
odd.
odd number.
It's an odd number. So since 3 is an odd number, those 243 doesn't come in 2's table. 243 is not a multiple of 2. You got it this? Yes? You got it this? Chalo, next one. Now for divisibility rule for 3, what do we do? How to check a number is divisible by 3? We have to add all the digits. We have to add all the digits. Keep adding. What is the answer, Yusuf? Tell me. 2 plus 4 plus 3.
Do we have to write all this?
Yes. No. You just have to write the test. That's it.
Okay,
Only this part. Though not the example. 2, 4, 3. Yeah, Yusuf, add these. Tell me what is the total?
9.
9. Now tell me, does 9 comes in 3's table? Does 9 comes in 3's table?
Yes.
Does it come?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this number is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 3, but this number is not divisible by 2. Okay. For divisibility test rule of 6, the number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Since it is not divisible by 2, so 243 doesn't comes in 6 table. Okay. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. Chalo. I want Mustafa to answer this. Then Yusuf will answer. Manha, sit. Come on, one who have got the answer. Mustafa, what's wrong with you?
What?
It's easy, na? Tell me, 312 comes in 6 table. How will you check? How will you check?
I check the
First, what do you have? First, what you have to do? First, see whether the number is divisible by 2, right? How will you check a number is divisible by 2? Let's see.
check the last number.
Yeah, what is the last number? What is the last number?
2.
2. Does, yeah, it's an even number. So is it divisible by 2? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, okay, done. Now, Yusuf. Where are you, Yusuf? I want Yusuf to answer. Turn on your camera. Okay, he's not there. Who would like to answer for 3? Is it divisible by 3?
Please, ma'am,
Yeah, Sidra. Yeah, Sidra.
Ma'am, this is not divisible by 6.
How? How?
Yes. But in the last digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2.
What have you
But-
done for 3? What have you done for 3? Tell me. 3 plus 1.
Add it.
Yeah, what did you get? What did you get? 3
We
plus
get
1.
6.
6. 6 doesn't come in 3's table. Yeah. Mohammad Ali. Mohammad Ali, you would answer. Mohammad Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. 312 is divisible by 3 or not? What is the divisibility rule for 3?
312 is divided by 3. Let me see. Is it divisible by 3? Let me see, ma'am.
Yes, it is divisible because 3 plus 1 is what?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's
4.
divisible.
4 plus 2?
Because it's equal to
6.
6. Equal to 6.
6 comes in 3's table, so it is divisible by
Yes.
3 also.
Yes,
So
divisible
since
by
it is
3.
divisible by 3 and 2, so it is divisible by 6 also. That's it.
Yes.
Chalo, go to next one.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
clearing this. Now divisibility rule of 7. It was difficult. This was difficult. This and 8 1. Chalo, what will happen over here? Take the This is little big. I'll explain you. But it's very easy in terms of explanation. Chalo.
If I don't know how to do this divisibility rule, but I know how to do division.
Okay, you know, you will find difficult, Yusuf, because you haven't attended the previous session. Na? That's why. If you would have attended, you would have understood what it is. So give me some time.
Ma'am, but I know how to do division.
Okay, lovely. If you know, then it's fine. I told you I'll explain you. I will explain you, but not today. I'm telling you that. Chalo. 343. What is the rule? Take the last digit. Take the last digit. Umayma, then what to do? Umayma will tell me.
Yes.
Take the last digit. Then what? What you have to do? Then
Then double the last digit.
what is the
So
double
it
of
will be
3?
Six.
What is the? Okay. The double of the last digit is 6. Okay. Next step. Now what is the third
Then
step?
subtract with the
Remaining number means 34. 34 minus,
Minus
it's like a puzzle. 34. Oh, sorry. 34 minus 6. What is 34 minus 6? This will become 14 and this will become 2. Okay. This is what? 8. And this is 2. Now, the answer which you got after subtraction, the answer which you got on subtraction, is it divisible by 7? Does 28 comes in 7's table? Does 28 comes in 7's table? Does 28 comes in 7's table?
No.
Tell me. No?
No, ma'am.
Who said that? Mustafa, you?
It comes.
What is 7 forza? What is 7 forza?
Ma'am, it comes.
Yes. So if this number is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Understood? Chalo, let's take one more example. Go step by step. Go step by step. Chalo, Mustafa, tell me what is the first step I should do to check the number is divisible by 7? Take the
last number.
Yeah. What should I do after that? After taking the last number?
Double it.
What is the double of 9?
Eight.
Lovely, lovely. Then what? Then what?
Then
Then?
subtract it with the remaining number.
What is the remaining number?
72.
Lovely, 72.
72 minus 18.
Very nice. Chalo, tell me what is the answer, 72 minus 18? I'll just 4.
54 and
Okay. Is 54 divisible by 7? Tell me.
yes. Yes.
How? I know 7 8s are 56. What do you know? Chalo, tell me. 7 8s is 56. Where does 54 comes? Yeah, Mustafa. It's not, beta.
No.
It's not. Okay. So since this number is not divisible by 7, so this number is also not divisible by 7. Have you understood? Easy? Understood?
Yes. It's very easy.
Yes. Okay. You want me to give one more number?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. I'm giving. Everybody has written this?
Yes, ma'am. Which one?
This divisibility rule. Everyone is writing it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, ma'am, writing. I'm not done.
Divisible by 7. हो गया.
Wait, I'm giving one more number. Just a second. Give me 2 minutes.
Now can I try?
Yeah, you can. Okay. This is the number.
287 is the number.
Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, tell me. 287. Is it divisible by 7? Chalo, tell me. Yusuf, you try. What is the last digit? First, take the last digit of a number. What is the last digit? Tell me.
Ma'am, it is 7.
Then you have to double it. What is the double of 7?
14.
14. Now you have to subtract it with what? You have to subtract with what?
Ma'am, with 3.
Not 3. What is the remaining number? What is the leftover?
Ma'am, 8.
28. 28. You have to take both the number. Okay? Take both the number.
20.
Yes. Don't take only one. Whatever number is left after taking last digit, take all that number. Chalo. 14. Subtract this. How much you'll get? How much you'll get? Tell me how much you'll get. You'll get what?
Ma'am, I will get 14.
14. Now tell me, is 14 divisible by 7? Is 14 divisible by 7?
Yes.
14 comes in 7's table.
Yes.
14 comes in 7's table. Yes, 7 twos are 14. Right. So this whole number 287 is divisible by 7. Got it? First, I am just teaching you how to check a number comes in the given number or not. Okay. When it comes, we'll do it afterwards. When it comes, we'll do that afterwards. Okay. Chalo. Next one. Should I clear this? Everybody written? Everybody has written this? Everybody has written this?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Are you writing, Umayma? Umayma, are you writing?
I wrote it.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Chalo. Divisibility rule for 8 now. We'll complete this today. Wait, I'll just take a. Write this.
Ma'am, digits of the number.
Yeah, is of the given number, of a given number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Okay. Look. Yeah, this is quite tricky. This is quite tricky. I'm like, I won't say tricky, little.
Confusing.
No, wait. Oh,
Nacho.
look.
Nacho का है? Nacho खाएगा है?
This is the number. How would you check? Chalo. How would you check this? Yes. How would you check this?
The last two. The last two.
The last three.
The last 3 digits.
Yes. What is the last 3 digit? Now here you should know the division.
5, 6,
60.
and 0.
Yes, 560. Now you have to check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. How would you check this? How would you check this? Yeah, tell me. Anyone? How would you do this?
What, ma'am?
How would you check this? Divide by 8. Look, this part I'll explain you. So that is the reason I asked you to keep it. Okay, this part I'll explain you. How to divide a number. Okay, you don't know this now? Nobody knows this or anybody knows this? Anyone
I
knows this? Who knows? Umayma,
I
you know? Yusuf, you know how to divide?
Me also.
Nobody, na? That's why I'm telling you. Keep it.
also.
Who knows? Mustafa, you know? You don't know, Mustafa, how to divide? Look, I'll just give you a little bit explanation. I'm like a rough explanation. I'll do that in detail in future. Look, 8 ones are. Think, 8 ones are. Now tell me, when does 56 comes in 8's table? When does 56 comes in 8's table? 56, when does it come in 8's table?
7 8
True.
7
Sevens are. And what is left? And what is left? What is left? What is left? Yeah, but what is left? 0. So 8 into 70 is 560. So 560 is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. So therefore this whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. If you have not understood, it's okay. I'll explain you again. I told you now divisibility rule of 8. I'll do it again. So chalo, go to next one. Divisibility rule for 9.
writing. Ma'am, I didn't finish writing.
Oh my God. Now is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, fast. Fast. I have to do 9th and 10 also. And that worksheet now, worksheet I'll give you as a homework. You do it, okay? And in case if you don't understand, then we will discuss. Okay, Umayma? That worksheet now take it as a homework. Okay? Yeah, Manha? Manha, unmute yourself. How would I listen you? What's the problem, Manha?
Hello.
Yeah, Manha, tell me. Yeah, I can hear you.
I didn't understand for the 8.
Yes, because beta, for that you should know how we reduce a number, how we do the division. So that's what I'm telling you. I'll explain you later, okay? So divisibility rule of 8, just keep it aside. Okay, divisibility rule for 8. Keep it aside. Don't take tension. I'm not getting divisibility rule for 8. I told you, I'll explain you again. Okay, so don't take that tension.
Okay.
Yeah, just divisibility rule for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Keeping aside 8. That's my work. I'll make it clear to you. Okay? So don't worry about 8. And in the worksheet, listen, in the worksheet, if they are asking you what is the divisibility, whether a number is divisible by 8 or not, like this. Wait. Look. Can you see this worksheet? Can you see this worksheet? Yeah. Can you see this worksheet, everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sending you this. Listen, this 8-1, the 8-1, you skip it. Okay, don't do it. Can you see whether the number is divisible by 8 or not? Just skip that. Don't do it. Okay? Don't do that. Okay? Hello, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I'll give you this as a homework. Do it. And for the when 8, they'll ask you whether a number is divisible by 8 or not. That part you leave it. I don't mind. Others I wanted. Okay? Others I wanted. Chalo. Done? Should I go for 9-1?
Yes.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, what happened?
Ma'am, can I do the assignment within 2-3 days?
What? okay. This is, can you tell me, this rule is similar to like what? To which rule? This divisibility rule is similar to what? You know this. This divisibility rule is similar to what? Yeah? Arey, we did this.
After
3.
Yes. Who said that? Who said that? 3?
Muhammad Ali ma'am.
Yes, he's right. 3. For 3 also, we were adding the digit na, of a number, and we were checking on addition if the number, the total is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. In this case, you just have the change part is the total of the number should be divisible by 9. That's it.
We don't have to see where the number is divisible by 9, like 18.
What are you saying? Yeah, what are you saying?
Like if the number is if we add all the numbers,
Digits.
yeah,
Digits of a
yeah,
number.
if we all add the digits, so it will not come 9, it will come 18. So
18.
yeah,
Yeah, so 18 comes in 9's table. So that number is divisible by 9. Okay, let's take this example. Chalo Manha, tell me the addition of this number.
plus 5 is
Yeah,
11.
tell me.
11 plus 6. 11 plus 6.
6 plus 5 is how much? 6 plus 5?
11.
11 plus 6. Now we have to do it orally. 11 plus 6? 17 plus 1? 18.
18.
So 18 is divisible by 9? 18 is divisible by 9?
Yes.
Yes. So this number is also divisible. Look, you got it now? You got it. Such a big number.
Very easy.
Yes. This part will get clear so we can do division easily. But this you should know now first. Chalo. The last one. 10 one. Do it fast.
1 minute.
And next.
10.
And please, now I'll end up with divisibility rule. I've explained you every divisibility rule in detail except for it. Now I'll start with division on Wednesday.
If the answer on digit on addition,
Then the number
Good, everyone is writing. Good.
is divisible, then ma'am,
is
And
divisible.
follow fast. 10 also, let me do it. Daily, I cannot take this.
I already write the divisibility rule for 9.
Divisible by 9.
Hello. 10 is remaining. 10 is remaining. Just the 10 part, then we will end our session.
10 is so easy, ma'am.
But you have to write it now, Mariam, so that you can refer it in future also. When it is written to you, you can refer it in future. Okay? Even if you forget.
Okay.
Chalo, should I clear this?
Divisible by 9. Yeah.
Do it fast.
Yes. Ma'am, wait, last line.
Chalo. Umayma, are you writing it, Umayma?
I also took a
Umar,
Done,
how
ma'am,
about you? Umar, are you there?
Yes,
Where were you in last session, Umar?
Ma'am, I like 3 and 9's divisibility rule.
Done? Chalo. Last is Umar. Are you there, Umar? I'm asking you something, beta.
Hello, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, how are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, beta.
In my village, it is a little
Okay.
poor
Okay,
connection.
okay.
Okay.
Last one, which is very simple. Tell me, if the last digit of a number is what? Tell me.
0, 10, 20, 30, 40.
No, no. Last digit of a number, how it can be 20, 30 and 40? Yeah, Mana, 0. Then the number is divisible by 10. That's it. Over.
Okay, ma'am. Now I have real things.
I
Like,
just don't trust.
let me give you example. 2, 0, 0, 0. Is it divisible by 10?
Yes.
Yes.
Because it has 0.
5, 0, 0, 1. Is it divisible by 10? Is it divisible by 10?
No.
No. 2, 1, 0. Is it divisible by 10?
Yes.
Yes. 5, 9, 0. Is it divisible by 10?
Yes.
Yes. 8, 2, 5. Is it divisible by 10?
No.
No. Okay. Is it divisible by 5? Is it divisible by 5?
Yes. Yes.
It is divisible by
No,
5.
no, no.
825. Is it divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes, it is divisible by 5. But it is not divisible by 10. Okay. So that ends up our divisibility rule. Okay. Next. Yes. Next when we meet, we are going to start with division. Okay.
We are not done writing.
Yeah. I'm not going anywhere. I have kept it. Don't worry. You have to
Just give me
understand
2
the
minutes.
remainder theory.
Just give me 2 minutes more, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Till that time, I can explain you I can do some revision. If a number is divisible by a given number, what do you mean by that? If I want to say 2000 is divisible by 10, so what remainder I'll get? What remainder I'll get? Yeah, everyone, remainder will be always zero. Zero. Just remember this, okay? When a given number is divisible by the another given number, then the remainder is always 0. If the given number is not divisible by 10, then the remainder will not be 0. Okay? Then we'll check what will be the remainder. Is this clear? Yeah? Yeah, Umayma, why you seems to be lost? Yeah, Umayma. What happened? Tired.
Can you make me understand again the 10 one?
10 1.
Yeah.
Okay, it's quite easy. Go for the last digit. Go for the last digit.
Yeah.
Okay, Umayma. What is the rule if the last digit of a number is 0? Is it 0?
Yes.
So it is divisible by 10. That's it.
Oh, so
Okay.
my favorite is 3, 9, and 10.
Even 5. What is the rule for 5? Yeah, Umayma. What is the rule for 5? It should be either 5 or 0. The last digit, should be 5 or 0. Yes, that's very easy. Okay,
Still,
Umayma.
I don't like 5. I don't know why.
Okay. It's easy. Every the divisibility rule is simple. It will take time. You won't get it at once. It will take time. But have you understood? That is the main thing. Understanding part should be like
Next
you should
class,
understand. That should
again,
be done
can
well.
we revise all the divisibility rules next class?
Again.
We'll revise. Yes, I like it.
Okay. A quick revision. Then we'll start with division. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Next.
Till that time, should I end this sharing? Should I stop sharing
Yes.
whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Ended up with the session. Happy weekend. Meet you on Wednesday. Bye-bye. Bye. Take care. Bye. Bye.